Hey, welcome to the Mr. English podcast. I'm Nora. Today we're going to the car mechanic in English.
And I'm Jack. If car problems make you nervous, don't worry. We'll give you simple, powerful phrases to get your car fixed without stress. And yes, my car makes a squeak, squeak, boom sound. Is that normal?
We'll find out. You'll learn how to book an appointment, describe problems, ask about cost, and understand repairs. Short lines, copy us. Let's start.
First, magic words. Repeat after us. Hello? Please? Thank you. Excuse me.
Again with a smile. Hello, please, thank you. Excuse me.
Nice.
Booking an appointment.
Hello? I'd like to make an appointment for my car.
What is the make and model?
It's a Toyota Camry.
What seems to be the problem?
The engine is making a strange noise.
Can you bring it in tomorrow at 10 a.m.?
Yes, that works. Thank you.
Your turn. I'd like to make an appointment for my car. It's a Toyota Camry. The engine is making a strange noise.
Describe common problems. Repeat after us. The engine won't start.
The battery is dead.
The check engine light is on.
I have a flat tire.
The brakes are making a squeaking sound.
The air conditioning isn't working.
The car is overheating.
There's a leak under the car.
Your turn. The engine won't start. The battery is dead. The check engine light is on. I have a flat tire. The brakes are making a squeaking sound.
Describe strange noises.
There is a knocking sound from the engine.
There's a rattling sound when I drive.
There is a humming noise from the wheels.
There's a hissing sound.
My car goes squeak, squeak, boom.
Your turn. There's a knocking sound. There's a rattling sound.
At the service desk.
Hello, I have an appointment at 10 a.m.
Great. What's the problem today?
The brakes are making a squeaking sound and the check engine light is on.
Okay, we'll run a diagnostic test.
How long will it take?
About an hour for the test. We'll call you with an estimate.
Thank you. Do you have a loaner car?
I'm sorry, we don't, but there's a cafe nearby.
Your turn. The brakes are making a squeaking sound. We'll run a diagnostic test. How long will it take? Do you have a loaner car?
Asking about cost and time.
Can you give me an estimate before you start?
How much will the repair cost?
How long will the repair take?
When will it be ready?
Is there a warranty on the parts and labor?
Your turn. Can you give me an estimate? How much will it cost? How long will it take? Is there a warranty?
Next, understanding mechanic speak. We'll translate the big ones.
You need an oil change equals change the engine oil.
You need a tire rotation equals move the tires to different positions for even wear.
You need a wheel alignment equals adjust the wheels to be straight.
We need to replace the brake pads equals the parts that stop the car are old.
The battery needs to be replaced equals the battery is dead or weak.
Your turn. Oil change. Tire rotation. Wheel alignment. Replace the brake pads. Replace the battery.
Mini role play 1. Flat tire.
Hello? I have a flat tire. Can you help me?
Yes. Do you have a spare tire in the car?
I think so.
We can change it for you. It will take about 20 minutes.
Great. How much is it?
It's $25 for the service.
Perfect. Thank you.
Copy Jack's lines. I have a flat tire. Can you help me? How much is it?
Mini role play 2. Check engine light.
Hello, my check engine light is on.
Okay, we'll run a diagnostic test to find the problem. It'll take about an hour.
Can you call me with an estimate?
Yes, we'll call you before we do any work.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Copy Nora's lines. My check engine light is on. Can you call me with an estimate?
Mini role play 3. Regular service. Oil change.
Hi, I'd like an oil change and a tire rotation.
Sure, it will take about 45 minutes.
Could you also check the brakes? They feel a little soft.
No problem. We'll do a free brake inspection.
Thank you so much.
Copy Jack's lines. I'd like an oil change and a tire rotation. Could you also check the brakes?
Quick quiz. Say the best phrase.
Your car won't start. You say, the engine won't start, or the battery is dead.
You hear a strange sound from the brakes. You say, the brakes are making a squeaking sound.
You want to know the price before the work. You say, can you give me an estimate, please?
Speed practice. Copy fast but clear.
The check engine light is on.
I have a flat tire.
The brakes are making a squeaking sound.
How long will it take?
Can you give me an estimate?
Do you have a loaner car?
Is there a warranty?
Thank you for your help.
Full flow. From booking to pickup.
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment. The brakes are making a squeaking sound.
Can you bring it in tomorrow at 9 a.m.?
Yes. How long will it take?
We'll inspect it and call you with an estimate.
Later on the phone.
Hello, we checked your car. You need new brake pads. The cost is $150.
Okay, please do it. When will it be ready?
This afternoon around 4 p.m.
Pickup time.
Hello, I'm here to pick up my car.
Great. The total is $150. Card or cash?
Card, please. Thank you for the quick service.
You're welcome. Drive safe.
Now, copy Nora's lines for the whole conversation.
Final advice. Record a short video of the strange noise if you can. It helps the mechanic a lot. Ask for an estimate in writing before they start. And always say thank you. Kindness goes a long way.
Practice challenge. Comment one car problem, one question about time, and one question about cost. We'll reply with a friendly tip.
Subscribe for more easy, real English.
We hope your car runs perfectly forever. But if not, now you have the English for it. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye for now.